The unhelpful friends. Bunny the rabbit had many friends. He was proud of his friends. One day, Bunny heard the loud barking of wild dogs. He was very scared. He quickly went to the deer, his friend, and asked for help. Bunny said, "My friend, can you chase the wild dogs away with your sharp antlers?" The deer said, "I can, but I am busy right now." Bunny ran to the bear. "You are strong. Please help me. Chase these wild dogs away," he said. The bear replied, "I am sorry. I am hungry and need to find some food right now." Bunny ran to the elephant. "You are big. Wild dogs are after me. Can you chase them away?" he said. The elephant replied, "I can, but I am going to take a bath right now." Bunny went to the monkey, the goat, and all his other friends one by one. He was sad that none were ready to help him. Bunny understood that he needed to help himself now. So he hid under a bush. Bunny lay there very still. The wild dogs could not find him. They went away chasing other animals. Bunny the rabbit was now relieved and learned to survive by himself. Bunny learned never to depend upon unhelpful friends. Moral of the story: it is better to help yourself than depend on others.